Welcome to the fun segment My Favorites with MANGKA MAYANGLAMBAM. Color.
Black and white.
Food.
Manipuri cuisines.
Animal.
Cat, dog, cat and dog.
Flower.
Flower. Like how?
Song.
Song. Everything I sing.
Movie.
Movie, comedy and documentary films.
Actor.
Actor, Manipur giro.
Actor.
Actor, I have lots of favorites, uncountables.
Particular one.
Particular one, Hollywood, I like Angelina Jolie. Susmita Sen. Manipuri gidi loi pame but loi pame ado angang oikane yam pame di Kamala Sima.
Singer.
Singer so I don't have any particular favorite. Ado amak pame laite mayam pame.
Music composer.
My father.
Cartoon.
Tom and Jerry, Mr. Bean.
Sports.
Badminton, football. Yeah, badminton, football.
Place.
Manipur.
Season of the year.
I like every season.
Month of the year.
July.
Day of a week.
First day, Monday, and my birthday, Saturday and Monday.
Drink on a hot summer day.
Mojito.
Drink on a cold winter day.
Green tea.
Instrument.
Pena.
Fruits.
I'm a fruit lover, so I love every fruits except a sinbal nataba. Yeah, I'm sinbal natab dile pam.
School subject.
English.
Dress.
Everything that looks perfect on me.
Number.
27.
Festival.
Every festival of Manipur.
Person.
Person.
Yeah, person.
Most favorite my family, my mom, dad, and my brother, and everyone who supports me.
Car.
Yeah,
favorite car.
I don't have favorite car. Anything that Nusa and rain, they cook about anything. Yeah, I don't have favorite.
Shampoo.
Shampoo, I used to buy to get Tresemme.
Last but not the least, things that you cannot live without.
Live without means yumde topro or himba. Things which I cannot live without. Now my phone, because it's very necessary.
Thank you so much, Manka, for this fun segment.
Thank you.